Your expertise is the new sales pitch. That's it. You don't need to start pitching a product or service. No, it's your expertise. It's the model, basically, behind your expertise. The 3 steps, the 5 steps to get somewhere. People buy the shortcut, people buy the process, and they trust people to do it. They don't want to do it themselves. They want you to do it. And you know what they say, you have to live life forward, but you have to understand life backwards. So let's go backwards in sales. And what do we see is that if we look into a few years ago, let's even say a few decades ago, we see that people would focus dramatically on the product. And then what we saw is that suddenly they said, yeah, but the product is just one component. So let's say about 10 years ago, they started pushing all these sales in not product sales, but into company sales, humanizing the company, explaining the company, how big it is and all the processes and all the products. And then the problem was that there were so many products within the company that it was hard to sell. So you went from an easy product to a company with products to sales pitches. And now what we see is we do something else. We do personal branding. We basically pitch the human. We basically pitch the process. We pitch the algorithm. So your expertise is your new sales pitch.